My dear scholars, another question which is emerging in management discipline, that all right, within the four walls of an organization where there could be 10, 20, 100 and 500 or maybe 1,000 people working, is this organization a closed system? Once people walk into the four walls of an organization, a workplace, does the environment around that organization have no effect on the work of the organization, on the output of the organization? This was the question raised. Are the organizations a closed system? Closed system means you have all your required inputs for the product, for the output. You have the material, you have the people needed, you have the information needed, all is there. And you get yourself isolated. The managers of the organization should only be focused inside. Or, on the other hand, organization should be open system. What is an open system? All biological systems are open systems. They interact with the environment. उसके इर्द गिर्द जो माहौल है, say for example plants are biological system. Plants, they are affected by the sunlight, they are affected by the temperature, they are affected by the humidity. Plants are affected what kind of fertilizer you are adding. Plants are affected what kind of insects are attacking the plant. Am I right or not? ये सब वो वेरिएबल्स हैं जो एनवायरनमेंट में मौजूद हैं, और आप अगर ये कहें कि प्लांट के ऊपर इनका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है और प्लांट विल गिव यू इट्स प्रोड्यूस, या ट्री विल गिव इट्स प्रोड्यूस, orange tree, mango tree, banana tree, which is not true. So biological system, same is the case with humans. Don't we get affected by the temperature around us? Don't we get affected what kind of sunlight is there or what kind of light is there? What kind of noise is there? Even humans get affected what kind of people are around him. So people are also variable. Toxic people होते हैं ना, अच्छा वो डंग तो नहीं मारते लोगों को, लेकिन उनकी गुफ्तगू ऐसी होती है कि which turns you away, which makes your day sad. So here is the question now, are the organizations open system, like biological system, or they are closed system? Closed systems are closed from the environment. Let's talk about a business organization. Are you saying that the political system or the political activities going on in that city or state or country will have no effect on the organization? No, that's not true. How about the social norms where the organization is placed? Will have no effect. Economic decisions made by the government, policies which are emerging at the time of the budget presentation, will have no effect on the organization. So if there was a thought that yes, we are isolated from the environment, we are focusing on material and labor and producing products, calculating cost, we have all the information which is needed, we know the market, and we are going to have a pricing strategy. This isolated system means the organization will have no interaction with the external environment. So this means there is internal environment within the four walls, और हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का वो डिफरेंट होगा, and there is an external environment on which the organizations have no control. So, my dear students, early economic theories were based on static, objective, rational, analytical decision making. We are isolated, we will make our decisions, and decisions will not get affected what goes on in the external environment. Scientific management is actually an example of a closed system. Assembly line is an example of closed system. Input, throughput, output. Nothing is affecting us. But when you go to the biological open system, which interacts with its external environment, which means like biological organisms, humans, plants, insects, bacteria, viruses, the external environment affects them and they have to adjust accordingly. Sunlight बहुत तेज हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी आंखें बंद हो जाती हैं, एडजस्ट करती हैं. तो क्या जब एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट में पॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस हो, इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस हो, सोशली पीपल आर नॉट विलिंग टू बाई, दे डोंट हैव द बाइंग पावर, तो क्या उसका इफेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर नहीं होगा? Yes, it will be there. So I think we have to consider that the external environment will have an effect what goes on within the four walls of the organization. Thank you.